many people are enthusiastically anticipating the launch of Apple's iPhone 12, whether it be Apple fans or tech geeks. Some are even more interested in the specifications of the new iPhone 12. So let's look at design changes and display features of the iPhone 12 today. It's important to remember that 4 models of the iPhone 12 are expected to be launched. They are iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. From what we hear so far, Apple is going for a complete design change of the iPhone 12 for all 4 new models. The most highlighted features of the design of the iPhone 12 are thin bezels, contributing to a more convenient display. Reportedly, Apple will make use of thinner bezels, which might be 0.9 millimeters thinner when compared to its predecessor iPhone 11 Pro Max. iPhone 12's high-end model, the Pro Max, will have a 6.7-inch screen, which is a larger screen than that seen on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. A thinner chassis will be used, which will be around 7.4 millimeters. The size of the notch will be reduced. This has been expected for a while. Now, the iPhone 12 may actually have a smaller notch, which consists of major sensors, slightly larger camera lens, and thicker antenna lines for 5G connectivity. According to Bloomberg, all 4 iPhone 12 models will use a flat metal edge design, which looks similar to the iPhone 5. The design will also resemble the iPad Pro 2020. Most interesting among these 4 models is the 5.4-inch screen iPhone 12. Based on the dummy unit, it's smaller than the 4.7-inch iPhone 7 while having a large display. As for the colors, the Pro models might use Apple's traditional colors such as space gray and silver with a more premium finish. Some sources say we might even see a blue for the Pro models that can replace the iPhone 11's midnight green. Others say that Apple is even considering making use of colors such as light blue, light orange, and violet. Coming to the display of the iPhone 12, Apple will be using a 5.4-inch Super Retina OLED display for the iPhone 12, a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display for the iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. A significant highlight of the iPhone 12's display is the 120Hz refresh rate. It has been suggested that the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be offering the 120Hz ProMotion displays. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Max, they'll offer 60Hz displays. The models with the 120Hz refresh rate are expected to provide effective gameplay, efficient video playback, and a smooth scrolling experience. One major setback is that Apple is having trouble finding adequate resources for the 120Hz driver integrated circuits. This could lead to delays in launching the Pro versions. Even though the 120Hz display will attract many users, some people suggest the device might lack the adaptive refresh rate technology that's found in Samsung's Galaxy Note Ultra. Samsung's LTPO panel automatically adjusts the refresh rate depending on the content on the screen. As for the glass used in the phone, it's expected Apple will use the latest and most efficient glass from Corning, which is Gorilla Glass Victus. It's said Gorilla Glass Victus will withstand twice the impact in case it's being dropped and is 4 times as scratch resistant compared to other glasses. With the chance that Apple will make use of Gorilla Glass Victus in the iPhone 12, it's possible it's already in use in other Apple phones. With all of that in mind, we expect the display of the iPhone to be effective and its design elegant.